how to add or remove color inversion on quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down. Now here, so click on this pen icon. So after click on pen icon, click on edit. So after click on edit, you will see color invention is here. So if you want to add to quick setting panels, so click on color invention. So and click on done. And again click on done, you will see color invention is add on quick settings panel. So after the process, go back to home screen. So if you want to remove color invention from quick settings panel, so again open swipe down and click on pen icon and again click on edit. So you will see current invention is here. So if you want to remove quick settings panel, so click on this minus icon. So after click on minus icon, you will see current invention is removed on quick settings panel. So after the process, click on done and again click on done. So you will see current invention is remove on quick settings panel. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove color inversion from quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.